Hello everyone, I am back with some more of Don't Be Afraid. Ugh. Whoa! If you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell. As always, I greatly appreciate it. Where we last left off, we pooped our pants. Scary game. Scary everything. We made our way out of the basement-ish area. Lots of blood. Ugh. I don't have my candle because of that guy. Got an exit. This one must lead to the exit. I need to find the key. Ooh, did you hear that? Demonic growls. Look at that. Ugh. Screenshot. Ooh, what do we got? They got hammered to death. Anything? Ew. Machete? Cleaver, perhaps? That looks... I don't care. Look more human than anything else, but I guess it's a mannequin. What is that? Can we go this way? Nope. So let's investigate. That is not good. You know, this boy is probably going to be totally traumatized by all this blood and all these scarinesses. That is creepy. After the successful enlarging of the mouth and sewing in the teeth, the patient began to choke. His vocal cords still function while working. I often hear his growls. A human shouldn't be able to make those sounds. Make sounds like these. Yeah, you'd think. Franklin, we should get rid of all this. I don't like that. Your experiments wander around all this damn house and always scared the shit out of me. I know that nothing comes before family, but couldn't you just shorten their leashes? No one will enter the basement, but Lydia could be more discreet. Okay. Trash bins and stuff. Ouch. I hate that screech. And they don't have any heads. Yeah, in order for me to get through there, I can't. Like this? Nope. Okay. Probably can't go that way just yet. But now I lost my candle. Just gonna bypass these creepies. Okay, there is a candle in there. Good to know. And I do not like coming through this without a candle, but it'll be fine. I've got a bag. Okay. Check these first real quick. Nothing. Apparently just needed the bag. Okay, I just want to double check other... When I hug my bunny, I feel safe. I can use it to cover things. I know what to do with that, because we're smart. I thought I saw something for a second. I are smart. We used the bag on Mr. Coffee over here. Breathy McGee. Yeah. Gas and propane accessories. Could be Tom Hanks. Or Tom Hanks.
Intruder! Get him!
Okay. What key is this? Silver key. When I took it, the alarm went off. you just stay? Somebody pushed the door, but what? Huh? I didn't hear. I was too busy running to. That is creepy. Just run, 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 run. Double check on over there. Nothing. Whoa! Whoa!
Come here right now!
No!
You've been a naughty, naughty boy.
No, Daddy!
Come here now!
I wasn't naughty, Daddy.
You couldn't sit still, could you?
No. Oh! The game is over for Jamie. Kids get missing every day, but now David is the one that needs your help. The nightmare begins on October 1st, 2020. That was actually a few days ago. Is this like a trailer kind of thing? Oh, that was creepy. Oh my god. Like it has like a little bit of everything. Add full version W's Radio Steam list. Back to main menu. Alright, that's going to be it for this episode, ladies and gentlemen. If you like what you saw, like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification bell as always. I greatly appreciate it. I'm definitely going to get the full version of this game. But yeah, this demo was amazing. But I will catch you guys on that continue click. Auf Wiedersehen.